Hello, today we're going to be answering questions that dentists, Bulgarians and Colchester United fans have been asking since 2017. Can I fix a black screen in my Audi A6 C7? So the catalyst behind me even trying to start any of this content was I came across a video, an amazing YouTube channel from In Dad's Garage. He's currently building the best Land Rover I've ever seen in my life. But he has an Audi A6 RS6 and he put this head unit in from AliExpress, so I followed suit and did the same thing. I turned my car on the other day and found that my screen is completely black. So I took a couple of things apart and I found that I had severed one of the wires in the car. So today I'm going to try and repair that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the trim out. So I start with this small piece under the steering wheel, which comes out here. Then you take these two apart. I don't know if you can just see that or see my big head. We'll take these apart and it frees up the air units. So we will now jump in here. These are just clipped in, tight and stiff. That's what she said. And they just pull out. There's one. Now you have 4 bolts to remove. So they consist of 2, I think it's T20 Torx screws, and these are 8mm. So I'll start with the 8mm. They always seem to catch for me. I think I'm just a bit of a dope when it comes to them. So when taking out the screen, there is a connector that goes into the back of the unit here, right here. And that connector is this. And it is broken off through severing these 2 wires. So what I'm trying to do is replace this today and get it back working and functioning. So what I've got is this one that came, it's a replacement part, but it has heaps of wires. I'm actually not sure if I can just use the wires I need and leave all of the rest of them on and tape them up. I kind of hope I can, because I don't really know what else I'm supposed to do with them. But I'll see if I can get power back into this unit and go from there. So I've just spent the last couple of minutes having a conversation with ChatGPT, which says I should cut these wires that I'm not using. Oh God, I hope this is right, otherwise I'll be buying this part again and restarting. So let's give it a go. Right. Okay. It's very adamant about cutting them. I also text my neighbour Colin, who by this point in anything I'm fixing is normally here with me, but he said, give this one a go by yourself. If you need me, I'll come get you. But I text him about this. He'll probably reply now saying, no, absolutely don't cut those wires. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to strip some wire from here and here. Hopefully this doesn't just cut the whole thing. Let's see. Right. Can I just pull this off? No. I can. Good. And then strip some off this lad. this thing completely. There we go. Cool. And then you and you. I think I'll strip more off this. This wire could be too long now. So it's red and brown and green and the other colour. Strip some U. So now I'm going to use the wonderful heat shrinking mechanism. Get in there, you and you. Get in there, you and you. Okay. Well, this feels safe. Is this safe? This probably isn't safe. Well, I don't have another option. I guess we'll know if it's safe in a minute. So off camera there, I have cut these wires down a bit more. Now I'm going to use some fabric tape to wrap everything back together. I had the fabric tape in my hand a moment ago, and it's a very small working area. It's just a car, but somehow I lost. Oh, so I'm going to use this fabric tape to wrap all this up and keep it. So the wire in here, I'll have a variant of the head unit and the screen wires that I put in, and the Audi wires. Like you can see, there's a little white part that was in the original screen. So I'm going to wrap all of that together, because I think this being loose is what caused the wire to sever in the first place. So I'll do my best to keep it clean here. So, is it back alive and all well? Yes. Oh, is it dark again? No, it's alive. So this is the Android screen that I replaced with the OEM one. It's wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's also touchscreen, and it can be used with the controls, and you can switch back then to the car mechanism if you want. So it's connected now automatically to Android Auto